So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a new page to your design or to your project here on Canva using the desktop version. So fairly straightforward. You open up Canva right here. As you can tell, I have two pages. I'm going to make this first page the color red, and my second page is going to be the color. What's a good example right here? I will make the second page the color green. So if you wanted to make a third page, it's fairly straightforward. Go to the bottom here, simply just press on add a page right here. That's the easiest way to do it. Now, if you want to duplicate a page right here, you can press on these three little dots right here. You can go delete page. You can also just go to the red here. I'll press on red. I'll press on duplicate page. Those are different ways you can add a page. But the simplest way is to go to the bottom, press on add page, and now you have a new page added to your design. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to add a new page on Canva using the desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.